Okay, so let's just say that the formula might not be working out well for you if you did, if you did one student, let's fix it a little bit. So if you're doing one student's whole day straight out, and let's just say the formula's just not working out for you very well. Okay, so there's another way to do the formula. So what you can do is you can go equal sign, then sum, and you're going to open the parentheses, and then just go grab the student that you want right here as Sylvia. And I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to grab the cell, and you can see it's ready to go, and it already put the formula in for me up at the top. And then I'm just going to drag the rest of the column down, and you can see it already grabs everything I wanted, and it actually put it in the format that it wants it in. So then you're going to close parentheses and then press enter, and then Sylvia's all set. So this is just another method for doing the student totals when you just have like the one student for like the whole day.